Are you feeling the pressure of AI taking over the job market? Every day, more jobs are being automated, leaving many worried about their future. How can you compete with machines that work faster and cheaper? Corporations are prioritizing automation, making it harder for individuals to keep up. Imagine waking up to find your skills outdated, replaced by AI. But you don't have to be left behind. There's a way to stay ahead of the curve. Introducing our AI Bootcamp, a program designed to equip you with the skills needed to thrive in an age-driven world. Learn how to outsmart automation, gain cutting-edge skills, and secure your career. With our expert-led courses, you'll master the latest AI technologies and techniques. Join a community of forward-thinking professionals who are taking control of their futures. Our program covers everything from basic AI concepts to advanced machine learning techniques. You'll get hands-on experience with real-world projects, ensuring you have the practical skills employers are looking for. Don't wait until it's too late. Sign up for our AI Bootcamp today and future-proof your career. Visit entrymotivator.com to secure your spot and take the first step towards a brighter future. Empower yourself with the skills to thrive in an AI-powered world. Join us now.